Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make control center unaccessible from lock screen without unlocking the iPhone smartphone. So without for more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly, let me lock my iPhone smartphone. So now you can see it's being locked, so it's not unlocked right now. You can see it's locked. Now if I swipe that from the right top corner, so you can see the control center is accessible. So in order to make this control center unaccessible from the lock screen, what you need to do is just open the settings and now just scroll down, and now you will see here Face ID and passcode. Just tap on it. Once again, just swipe down. Now you will see here control center, right? Just disable it and you can minimize it. Now let me press the lock button again on my iPhone smartphone. Now if I swipe down from the right top corner, so you can see I'm not able to access the control center. So in order to access the control center, I need to firstly unlock the phone. Now you can see the control center is accessible once I unlock the iPhone smartphone. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make control center unaccessible from lock screen without unlocking the iPhone smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.